Using coconut oil as toothpaste is a simple and natural way to improve oral hygiene. The oil can be used as a replacement for traditional toothpaste or in addition to it. Here are amazing reasons to use coconut oil as toothpaste. 1. Coconut oil is a natural antiseptic, which helps to kill bacteria in the mouth and prevent tooth decay. The oil's natural antibacterial properties can help to reduce the amount of harmful bacteria in the mouth, which can lead to plaque formation, tooth decay, and gum disease. 2. It can help to whiten teeth by breaking down plaque and discoloration. The oil's ability to break down plaque can help to remove surface stains and discoloration, leaving teeth looking brighter and whiter. 3. Coconut oil is rich in lauric acid, which has been found to have anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce gum inflammation and bleeding. The anti-inflammatory properties of lauric acid can help to reduce inflammation in the gums and reduce the likelihood of bleeding during brushing. 4. It's a natural moisturizer, which can help to soothe and heal dry, cracked lips. Using coconut oil as toothpaste can help to moisturize and soothe dry, cracked lips, leaving them feeling soft and smooth. 5. Coconut oil is a natural source of medium-chain fatty acids, which have been found to have antimicrobial properties that can help to fight bad breath. These fatty acids can help to kill bacteria that cause bad breath, leaving your mouth feeling fresh and clean. 6. It is a gentle and effective alternative to harsh chemical-based toothpastes. Unlike many commercial toothpastes which contain harsh chemicals and artificial ingredients, coconut oil is a natural and gentle alternative that can effectively clean your teeth and gums without causing irritation. 7. Coconut oil can help to strengthen tooth enamel by making teeth more resistant to cavities and decay. The oil's ability to penetrate the enamel can help to strengthen it, making teeth more resistant to decay and cavities. 8. You can use coconut oil for oil pulling too. Oil pulling involves rinsing your mouth with coconut oil much like you would with a mouthwash, except you shouldn't attempt to gargle with it. The oil is worked around your mouth by pushing, pulling, and drawing it through your teeth for about 10 to 15 minutes. When you're first starting out, you may want to try it for just 5 minutes at a time. This process allows the oil to pull out cavity-causing bacteria and other debris from your mouth. Once the oil turns thin and milky white, you'll know it's time to spit it out. You can use it on your dog's teeth too. While you wouldn't want to brush your pet's teeth with ordinary human toothpaste, coconut oil is effective and safe for dogs and humans alike. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more health-related content.